Welcome back friends. Today we learn about dexamethasone 0.5 mg tablet. Dexamethasone 0.5 mg tablet belongs to a group of medicines called steroid. It is used in the treatment of various diseases and conditions such as inflammatory conditions, autoimmune conditions and cancer. Dexamethasone tablet provides relief from swelling, redness, pain and itching in the affected area by preventing the release of substances that cause inflammation. It should be taken with food to avoid stomach upset. Taking the medicine regularly at the right times increases its effectiveness. It is important to keep taking the medicines regularly until your doctor tells you it is safe to stop. The most common side effects of this medicine include cardiovascular complications, electrolyte imbalance, gastrointestinal disorder, metabolic disorder, musculoskeletal pain, neurological disorder, and weight gain. If you experience such symptoms that persist to get worse, let your doctor know. Dexamethasone tablet can make it harder for you to fight off infections. Tell your doctor if you have any signs or infections such as a fever or sore throat. Before taking these medicines, you should let your doctor know all the other medicines you are taking. It is important for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers to ask the advice of their doctors before taking these medicines. If in short usage of dexamethasone tablet, then dexamethasone tablet is prescribed for inflammatory conditions, autoimmune conditions and cancer. Now we move to benefits of dexamethasone tablet. If we talk in inflammatory condition, dexamethasone tablet gives relief in inflammatory conditions that affect muscles and joints such as arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis. It also helps manage other inflammatory conditions such as asthma, inflammatory bowel disease, uveitis, ulcerative colitis and allergies. It works by blocking certain chemicals that cause pain and swelling. In autoimmune conditions, dexamethasone tablet gives relief in autoimmune conditions like psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, eczema, atopic dermatitis, etc. It works by lowering your immune system respond to these conditions, thereby reducing symptoms such as swelling, pain, itching, and other allergic type reactions. In cancer, dexamethasone tablets help in the treatment of a variety of cancers such as leukemia, lymphoma, and multiple myeloma. It works by suppressing the immune system, thereby reducing inflammation around the site of cancer. It is used especially to decrease swelling called edema associated with tumors of the spine and brain. Moreover, it helps to treat or prevent allergic reactions in cancer patients. Then all about dexamethasone 0.5 mg tablet friends. Thanks friends. Bye bye. Take care.